Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the most powerful function, the if function. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial is for you. First thing first, what exactly the if function? In simple terms, it's a way to make decisions in your spreadsheet. You can set a condition, and based on whether that condition is true or false, Excel will return one value or another. Its syntax look like this. If first we have to give logical test, then if that logic is true, what will be our return result? That will be this second parameter, and what if it is false? That would be our third parameter. Let's see an example. Here I have a small data set of students with 5 students and their score. From this I have to find if the students got passed or not in this test. My criteria is if the students score at least 70 marks, they will pass, other than they will fail. So let's write the if function to find them. Syntax is equal to if our logic test is if score is greater than or equal to 70, they are pass, otherwise they fail. Let's select this column B2 is greater than or equal to 70, here comma, what is our result if it is true, pass. What is our else return? If it is not true or false, failed. That's it. When we hit the enter, we can see Alice is passed because she scored 85 marks. Our criteria logical test is B2 greater than or equal to 70. So we have to do the same for other students also. For that, just come in this corner and drag here. That's it. It will automatically apply to other cells also. Now we can see uh, students who got passed and who got failed. Here we can see Alice, Bob and Charlie is passed because they are scored at least 70, uh, but David and Eva were failed because they are scored below 70. It's super easy, right? So that's it for this video. So that's it for this video. Hope everyone got understand how if function is working on Excel. If you have any doubts, please comment down, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and support me. Thank you.